Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where the fuse guys for the ECU, the engine control unit, is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that today guys. This should work guys on generation year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. 2013 Hyundai Sonata right here that we have, ECU engine computer right here. This is the fuse box. You have one tap here, one there. You just squish and pull straight up. And once you guys twist it that way that we have right here, that's the layout. Here corresponds to what we have here. So when your guys are removing engine computer fuses, always disconnect the car battery. It really matters on this vehicle which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you don't do it the right way, you can burn your engine computer, modules, electronics. We did that in the past. It cost us $2,000, so I put a video that explains actually guys how to properly connect and disconnect car battery, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So with that guys, okay, being said, let's explain now, okay, where we have these fuses, okay, for the engine computer and what to look for. So one fuse guys that you need to check, EMS right here, that's a 40 fuse. Check it out guys, you can see if it's burnt or not. We have a video that explains how to properly test the fuse in a few seconds. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Another one guys, okay, that you need to check, okay, we'll have one that's called ECU number 1, big fuse, 30 fuse, it's that one here. You need to check that one. And also guys, okay, you have another fuse that's inside the vehicle. Let me show you okay, where exactly it's located. So if you come by the steering wheel right here, okay, open that one. Okay, you need to open it like that one. And now that's where things get interesting guys. Okay, all your fuses are located right here, but we need to find, okay, that one that could be for the engine computer that's on the inside. So if you come to the very, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6th row right here, and you come to fuse number 3, which is 20 fuse. That 20 fuse is for the engine computer as well guys, this one. So all these 3 fuses control the engine computer. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.